Yay. Okay, here we go. A little Lens Garage. We are working on the Nova, the 68 Nova. As you all know, it is Grandma's car. So, what we're doing today, big plan, got to get this gas tank out today. A lot of parts are starting to fall in, come in place, so we want to get them in. But this gas tank is leaking, it's nasty shit. So, we're focusing on this thing today. Cutting the lines, dropping it down, getting the old exhaust off, getting moving here. So, just takes time, guys. Shipping slow with Christmas. What a time to be redoing a car. Got the exhaust in. That's an original turbo exhaust, I guess, from GM, or the old GM style, you know what I mean? So, upper and lower control arms, shocks. We got the new sway bar. Everything's gutted out of there. Getting the headers off today. We did figure out the fuel pump. Seems to be okay. I mean, when we did this car so many years ago, we just must have did something wrong. But anyway, so now we're gonna retest it. Koss wants to try it again, which I don't mind. I'd rather put the factory exhaust or factory fuel pump back on. Factory fuel pump back on it. So, okay, everyone, hang tight, and we'll keep you posted today as best we can. Okay, everyone, we're getting ready to drop this gas tank in this old Nova here. As you know, gas sucks, and gotta worry about sparks and shit. So we're gonna drop it out and see where we go from here. Gas tanks are never fun, right, people? Gas tanks are never fun. So we got it on blocks of wood there. Let's see, that should drop out of the way. I don't know if we're gonna get the wire out of the way or no. I don't know, I guess we'll see when we drop it down a little. So hey everybody, forgot to take pictures again, my bad. So anyway, tank is out. We're gonna drain the gas out and stuff. Show you underneath this thing. Best we can. So hey, everything's pretty solid, you know what I mean? Looking nice. Got the big 12 bolt in it, 373s. So we're doing the dual exhaust. We're just getting everything. They're getting everything ripped out. He's worried it's a truck rear, but little as everybody know, yeah, they're 69 Camaros, but originally way back they were all truck rears because fucking that's where they got truck rears from, you know what I mean? That's where they got the 12 bolt from, probably out of a heavy duty truck, but anyway. Just want to show you this. Anyway, all the springs, so we'll get her. Okay.
Aluminum drive shaft.
Yeah, at some point we got to do the drive shaft. We got to do I got to get all this hacked up exhaust out of there. Over the years, you know what I mean, they just kept adding pieces, and whoever was doing the exhaust. And everything's pretty solid and everything. Got the air shocks on, the old Gabriels. Okay, hang in there, everyone. We'll keep you posted. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Hit it.
Go ahead.
Hit the red button. You hit it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. I'll cut this off. Oh, this one must be a heavier piece, huh, guys?
A little heavier.
Alright. I'm stuck under here though. See, fat ass stuck under car.
I'm still running yet, so.
That's alright.
We're running this. Alright.
I don't know where I cut it last time, cause I think
I don't know, you had a good plan though, I tell you that.
The last time I did.
A good plan, you
This
did
side
it.
ain't coming too
You
easy.
did it pretty good, it came right down, but yeah, we're filming now, you're a little nervous probably. You're not exactly.
Don't say that. I don't want that in the film, dude.
Well, fuck.
No, I can't. Now I can't use it. Give me. You can't. I'm trying to get this fucker off. Okay, let's get this. bracket down here on this one. Somebody hacked it up here and they put it up on the, they used the fuel line. Nothing's working here, why not? The fuel line bracket, you know, bud? I think you got it upside down there, cuz. Got my camera upside down, son. Yeah, you do. Camera goes on the other side, I'm on.
Right.
It's always one side that's hard, and never get a full press on it, huh?
Yep.
I don't know why it's. Did they put a nut on there or something? Maybe that's what we were yelling about. Huh? Guy hacking that up, maybe, huh?
I don't remember.
Think?
No, not that.
That ain't the one?
No.
That out without.
Get this is off.
Am I hitting anything? All right.
You're good.
Good?
You're good.
Okay. Throw these all back. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
All right.
Am I hitting anything?
I can't see nothing, no.
Yeah, that's true.
As long as there's no transmission line.
We don't have no transmission lines getting cut, right?
That's about it. Yep. You got it.
So they go from the bottom. Unplugged it. You have it on still or no? Buck and rock.
Man,
Little ends ground.
watch the transmission line. I have.
I don't care about the blades. I got blades. There, she's done. She's done. Oh, this baby. You believe this, buddy? Whoa, it's coming again.
It's on like one of the planes.
So yeah, he's a good guy.
Oh, is he?
70 some. Got it all ripped out, guys. Hanging in there. Get some light on the subject. Hold on. Yeah, get all that mess out from under here, you know. So he has the new, like I said, GM type turbo exhaust that goes on it. Oh, that's the shifting wire. I'm wondering, what the heck is that? Boy, tranny looks good. Drive shaft. Okay, everyone. Got the header off. Pain in the ass side is next. We'll work on that. I'll give you more insight. Everybody knows this is the pain in the ass side with the steering box and everything, so stand by. But we're getting there little by little, piece by piece.